We are going to see how we can edit a video using Cyberlink PowerDirector app in an Android mobile phone. In PowerDirector, the first thing to do is to click the big button in the middle and create a new project. Then give your project a name. So straight out, it takes you to the import video screen. So we'll just hit the back button to get back out of that. So that is the overall interface that Cyberlink PowerDirector. We have obviously got our timeline at the bottom. On the right hand side, we have got our settings, our share and our play button. There's also the undo button there's as well, and on the left we have got our main feature button. So we have got our import audio and video button. We have got out layers button, which is where we can import audio, video, text on the separate layer to our primary video layer, and we have got some effects in there as well. To start off, we'll import our main video footage. Select the import or media button. Make sure we have got video selected at the top and navigate through to find the video files that you want to import. It's just a matter of selecting them and hitting the plus to drop it down to your timeline. Then back out back to the timeline, hitting the back button. Now the first step is to scan or first pass off your footage and remove anything that you don't want in your video. To remove all the extra footage at the start of your clip, just tap on the clip and get a green handle that pops out. Then just click and drag the handle to the right so that our video file starts where we want it to start. The first step of refining all of this video footage down to just the footage that we want in our end product. Then you may need to remove sections of your video for any mistakes. And to do that, you have to find the area that you want to remove. Select the video clip and then click on the little knife or the little blade to cut the clip at that point. Now there are two separate clips. We can also add another clip by selecting the blade again and split the clip at the point you want. Now we have got 3 clips on our timeline. So if you want to remove that selection, you can select that clip and then press the delete button. We can also undo that. You can also pinch out and pinch in, move the clip around in your timeline to where you want them. Just tap and drag around the clip to left to right or vice versa. To navigate around your timeline, you can just pinch to zoom out and in, or just tap and slide left and right. Now if you want to add some other footage, you just come across and hit the layer button on the left and select video. Hit through to the video files that you want to add in as B-roll and hit the plus button to drop it down to the timeline. Then hit the back button to get back to the primary editing screen. The added B-roll footage has now appeared on its own layer above our primary video layer in a smaller box or a picture-in-picture effect that you can just pick up and move around and scale to how we want it to look, which is really powerful. We can also split the clip of that footage and use as much as we want. You can also add in any title, text or graphics into your video. Press the layer button and then title. There are a lot of templates to choose from. Select the default with fade. It's a basic title that we can control and adjust, but it's automatically got a fade built in. Tap on the text, then type anything you like. Then press the edit button and click the title designer. Here you can change things like color, opacity, font, and the place of the title. You can also resize, reposition, and recolor your title. You can also duplicate the title by clicking on the duplicate button. The next step is to color grade the video. Click on to add any audio like music or sound effects into your clip. You just click on the import media button, select music at the top, and then find the music track that you want to import. So now select the track and hit the plus button and just drop down into our timeline. Then hit the back button and a couple of times to get back to our main editing interface. You can see the music track right below our video footage. Now we can have the same control over the music track just like the other video footages. The next step is to color grade the video clips. On the individual clips, hit the edit button and click color adjustment. There are 3 simple settings like color correction, brightness, contrast, and saturation. You can also add effects to your video clip. To do so, hit effect button on the left and add any effect of your choosing. The next step is to adjust your audio level. So select setting and then audio mixing. This screen lets you adjust all your volumes from the track level. You can also adjust the volume on the clip by clip basis as well.